Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Stow. If you remember from meeting me during Kickstart, or if you're just joining us, I want to show you what you are required to do today. And it is to help you out with all of your classes, and it is to create a checklist. Now, the best thing is that I've already created it for you for now. And so I just want to pretty much introduce it to you and show you how you can personally edit it to make it your own. So to get started, you are going to hopefully already be in Google Classroom, and you will remember that you need to go to classwork. Right now, you'll notice I don't have anything here because I don't want to post it until next week, right on Monday. So you are ready and rolling on Monday to get started on this. But it will show up under here under Monday for the next week. So right now it says September 8th. It'll be starting on the 14th, I believe. Now, you are going to all receive, hopefully, this, and it'll be your own copy. So at the top, it should not just say daily assignment, it'll actually have your name on it, and it'll be yours to use every day to help you check off everything that you need to do. So let's look at it over on the left-hand side. It is a Google Sheet, so they're divided into rows, and then I have it organized by the day in columns. So if you see, the first thing you should do, hey, is check your email. Next thing, I'm going to check my grades on PowerSchool just to make sure that if anything was graded, your teacher has updated it and you know if you're missing anything. And then I have ELA, math, science, social studies. I have computer literacy, which is mine. There is SIM, phys ed, music, and elective. Now, what you want to do right now, and for this assignment, is to go through and edit anything that you don't have. So let's say you have me, obviously, because you're using this, but you don't have SIM. So you just need to click where it says SIM, and you're going to right click or two finger click on your Chromebook, or you can control click if you're using a Mac or however you want to do it on the number of the row that you no longer need. So I'm going to two finger click here, and this menu should open up and you will see delete row. So I don't need that anymore. So I'm going to click delete row. I no longer have SIM in my thing. Now, some of you might have both me and SIM, so leave that there. Maybe you don't have phys ed. Again, two finger click on your trackpad, or if you have a mouse and you want to right click on it, you can click on the number and you can delete the row. Now, if you two finger click inside here, you don't necessarily always have this pop up, but it does work as well. So just a FYI. Now, if you want to delete a row or click on the words and you hit delete and you want to take this and move this up, you just need to kind of click on the edge. And I've always imagined when you're clicking on the edge that it turns into a Mickey Mouse hand. See that big white paw? And you can click and grab this however you want. So your job for today is to go into this checklist and personalize it. That's it. Super easy. Then starting today and all the way through while we are virtual learning, your job is to go in here, and after you've clicked on everything in here, after you've done everything, you can just click, 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 and keep clicking and making those check marks every day. Now, this is an assignment that you will not necessarily turn in on Google Classroom yet, because you're going to be working on this throughout this time. I currently have it all the way through quarter 1. So you may find out that this is a great tool for you and use it all the way through quarter 1. For me, I'm requiring you to work on this at least through the first 3 weeks that we are all virtual learning. If you're on this and near my MVP, you're going to be doing this for the next few weeks. So I'm going to go in and check and make sure everybody has this. But it is hopefully a really helpful tool for you to use as we go ahead through this. A couple of just reminders as we're going through. Just a reminder on Team Valor, it has all of the information that we shared with you. If you need a help of what else to do or whose class are you going to for each day, that's all here. And just a reminder, all of your assignments are listed on this web page. So if you click this little tab to pop it out, you will be able to see everybody's assignments for the week, kind of a real general, not super specific. Everything specific should be in Google Classroom. But on Monday morning by 9 o'clock, this will be updated that says, okay, this Monday, you guys are doing this checklist activity, and make sure to watch this tutorial first before starting. And then if I go to the bottom, you will notice there is a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday. And if you click on Wednesday, remember, that's when I have a live scheduled learning session. So you are actually going to meet, and you'll see that here. That's just to help you out in the long run. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate. Email me, remember, at astal@mommyk12.org. I look forward to working with you guys, and hopefully this is a super easy activity to get us started. Have a great day. Bye.